Hello friends, welcome to Crusader Academy online classes. So again this is the fourth video of India Yearbook chapter number 8, Communication and Information Technology, which is very important for the students who are preparing for civil services, for state civil services, for banking exam, for any competitive exam, because this topic deals with every aspects of the life of the common people, and it is very much important, as you will find definitely question on this. If you have not referred my earlier three videos on the same topic, part 1, part 2, part 3, that communication and information technology, please go through it. I can't miss a single statement here. Okay, a single line, every line is very important of this topic. So here I am dealing with this. Let's go further. Now, new and value added services. So number one, speed post. It started in 1986 for providing time bound and express delivery of letter and parcel weighing to up to 35 kg. So those letters and parcel weighing up to 35 kg, those are being transported by delivered by the speed post. Okay, so then it is a flagship product of Department of Post. This question may come, which is the flagship product of Department of Post, and four option might be there. So it is speed post is the flagship product of the Department of Post. Okay, so near about more than 3 crore articles can be sent with monthly volume through through this domestic industry. Okay, and a track line, it has 13 digits speed post article number. So how many digit is it? 13 digit. Then check out the number of digits of PAN card. It is 10. I think Aadhaar card it is 12. Okay, so this is the 13 digit speed post number or sending an SMS, and also free SMS alert is there, and insurance facility up to 1 lakh is also provided as an add-on service for speed post articles. Okay, now second this was the first one, speed post, and leveraging post office network for setting up passport seva kendra. Okay, so passport seva kendra, it is also done, and with the coverage, the passport is a Department of Post and Ministry of External Affairs have mutually agreed for this. So the question may come, passport seva kendra is offered by whom? So it is offered by Department of Post, okay, plus Ministry of External Affairs. Okay, that is delivering the leveraging post office network for setting up passport seva kendra. Then third one is this express and business parcel. So here the B2C means business to customer. Okay, and C2C means customer to customer. This question comes, and B2B means business to business. Okay, so express parcel and business parcel service were introduced by the department in 2013. Which are those services? Express parcel, okay, and business parcel services. So these are these were introduced in 2013. Then about express parcel, it is given, it is a premium parcel service available for retail as well as bulk customer. Okay, so chillar khurda mein bhi hai aur bulk mein bhi hai, and home delivery, secure home delivery of the parcel. So here the express parcel minimum chargeable weight is 0.5 kg, whereas maximum chargeable weight is up to 20 kg for retail customer. For retail customer it is 20 kg, and for contractual customer it is 35 kg. Okay, so this is about the express parcel. Again, express parcel minimum chargeable weight is 0.5 kg, and for retail customer it is up to 20 kg, and contractual customer it is 35 kg. Now coming to the next, that is business parcel. Okay, So a solution to corporate customer, it is for corporate. This one was for retail as well as wholesale. Okay, that was. So transmission of minimum chargeable weight of the parcel is 2 kg. Okay, and maximum weight is 35 kg. So try to understand that this is what the type of what we say parcels. So one is express parcel. Under the heading express parcel, they are offering two modes. Okay, number one 0.5 kg and sorry, three modes, then 20 kg and 35 kg. Under express 0.5 kg for anyone. Okay, minimum, it is minimum, this one is minimum, but 20 kg is for retail customer and 35 kg for contractual customer, those who have entered in contract. Okay, for them the maximum is 35 kg. For retail customer it is maximum up to 20 kg and minimum is 0.5 kg. For other and for business parcel it is 2 kg and minimum and maximum is 35 kg for business parcel. Okay, so this was all about the express and business parcel. Then coming to the next, that is cash on delivery. So it was introduced in 2013. Okay, and is available to the contractual customer of express parcel, business parcel and speed post. Okay, so it is for business purpose. Okay, so that is for businessmen. Then logistic post, it was started with the service with a large network, a supply chain solution. As a part of supply chain solution, full truckload services, less than truckload services, warehousing services, order processing and fulfillment, reverse logistics services are being provided by Department of Post under the logistic services. There is no upper weight limit for logistic post consignment. Minimum chargeable weight is 50 kg. Okay, and there should be at least 50 kg if the consignment are sent through surface. Okay, that is by means of truck. Okay, or train. In case of logistic consignment sent by air, the minimum chargeable weight is 25 kg. So minimum, it is minimum chargeable weight. Okay, it is 50 kg through land, and through air the minimum chargeable weight will be 25 kg. It is started from 2013, linking following 15 cities, which are those: Agartala, Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Nagpur, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Chennai, Pune, Ahmedabad, Imphal, Guwahati, Patna, Lucknow and Thiruvananthapuram. So again I am going to point it out. What are the important points here? The logistic post. Okay, kindly wait a minute. I am trying to adjust some adjustment is needed. So try to understand. As a part of supply chain solution, full truckload service. Okay, less than truckload service, that is LTL. Okay, then warehousing, order processing and fulfillment services. Here there is no upper weight limit for logistic post consignment. Then it is for from air, the minimum chargeable weight is 25 kg, and for land or surface, that is land by means of truck, by road or train. This means road and train, it is 50 kg. Okay, and 15 cities are there. The next one is the business post service, which was introduced in 1996. Okay, it was introduced in 1996. So folding, inserting, franking, addressing, pasting are required to be completed before a mail article is posted. So organization were finding it difficult to carry out the pre-mailing activities. So it offered to offer a comprehensive solution to corporate government organization PSUs and other corporate houses. So it is for corporate government organization PSUs, public sector units, and other corporate houses. Okay, so need corporate and bulk mail customers. So that is okay, that is important. The main point is business post service started in 1996 for this thing. Okay, then media post. So Indian Post offers a unique media concept. It is a unique media concept to help Indian corporate and the government organization. Again, it is for corporate sector. Okay, and government organization to reach the customers. Okay, then advertising mediums such as letter boxes, postal stationery, postal premises etc. यानी अगर आप 15 रुपए 15 पैसे का पोस्ट कार्ड लेते हो, 50 पैसे का पोस्ट कार्ड लेते हो या लिफाफा लेते हो तो उसके ऊपर एक ऐड दी हुई रहती है. ओके, कि फलाना फलाना कंपनी की कभी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की ऐड रहती है, किसी और चीज़ की ऐड रहती है, गवर्नमेंट केस की. ओके, एंड कॉरपोरेट का अंबानी की भी ऐड रह सकती है, टाटा की भी ऐड रह सकती है. उसमें छोटी सी एक साइड में वो एडवर्टाइजमेंट दी रहती है. दैट इज़ व्हाट मीडिया पोस्ट. Okay, then direct post. So direct mail now constitute a predominant traffic handled by postal administrator. Okay, so इसमें जो है वो letter cards, brochures, questionnaires, pamphlets, these are the things, CDs, floppies, you know that. Then retail post. So अब इसमें जो आंकड़ा दिया हुआ है पोस्ट ऑफिस का वो है 1,55,000. Earlier it was 1,54,000 at the beginning, but here it is 1,55,000. Then Ganga Jal through post office. Now this is very much important, that Rishikesh and Gangotri supply and distribution of Ganga Jal, okay, to the office from 2016. So head post office and e-post office portal. So Ganga Jal will be distributed by from Rishikesh and Gangotri by means of e-post office or head post office through the speed post. It has been carried by through the speed post, not by these parcel services, express, what we say, express or business parcel. It is not sent through this. There is another scheme, that is Ganga Jal through post office. Okay, and one more is post Shopee. So it is here you can see my stamp corner where one can get stamps with own photograph. That is the my post Shopee. Okay, so if you want your photo on the stamp, you can get it with your own photograph under this. Okay, and different varieties of cover, envelopes etc are also made of this post office. So एडवर्टाइजमेंट पर्पस के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है. एंड so this is one thing. I hope this much is sufficient for today's lecture. We will continue with more lecture. As you can find, you can see कि इतना बड़ा पढ़ने के बाद एक लाइन मिलती है. Okay, we get only one line, which is very important. As I told you, we have to go line by line in this video, and earlier I was not going so. So guys, please give like, put comment, one video. Okay, and please share this video as much as you can, and subscribe my channel Crusader D Guardian. Okay, thank you, stay tuned. Namaskar.